Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My today video is about how to introduce yourself in English in a school or a college or on a stage. Let's start our lesson. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Dash mean your name and I am dash year old your age. I am from dash mean your living place. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at your school name. I completed my junior college education from your junior college name, and now I am here to complete my graduation in this college. I am very excited and happy to be here. My parents are the pillars of my strength. My favorite subject is English. My hobbies are reading books, trying, and traveling. My goal is to become an IPS officer and serve my nation. Confidence and good communication skill are my strength. That's all about me. Thank you very much.